Oh, oh. Ah. When's there gonna be another holiday? I don't know. It's going to be so long. Yeah. Well, also, if you guys like this McDonald's thing, I'll keep doing them or do the other ones. Like Foxy. Like the other ones. Yeah. So, what are we gonna do today? I don't know. Just gonna go over here. Oh, Ender's not. Where's Ender? He's supposed to do this. Oh, I'll check the cameras. They're fun. Oh, look at the night clothes left for note. I'm never coming back. Come on, quick. Ah, oh. Chicken sons. Do they have a chicken sons number code? I don't know. I want to look up. It's not. This is supposed to be a FNAF. Oh, rude. It's like a FNAF, but just chicken sons number code. Look at that face. Oh, are we ready? Yeah. Oh, mateys. Those are only we have. That's the only things we have. Yeah, we do. That's the only things we have. Oh well. Well, it's gonna be fun. I really hope they didn't forget New Year's Eve. Yeah. Wait, let me. Did you guys forget New Year's Eve? Wait, what? What? It's New Year's, matey? You guys don't know New Year's? We better come out because we're about to start some fireworks. Oh, mateys. I'm gonna be in a roof. I think it's more safe. Yeah, I think the roof is safer. I don't know why you guys would be on the ground. Oh, I didn't know it was New Year's. We're not gonna go on the roof. We're supposed to go. Get on the roof. Oh, I didn't know it was New Year's. Let's go. Oh, these fireworks are gonna be sick. But how can you not know New Year's? I didn't want to celebrate it. You don't want to celebrate New Year's Eve? Or day? Or New Year's Eve? Yeah, I don't want to. It's just fireworks. But yeah, it's just fun. Hey. I can't see. Oh my God, just get up on the ledge. Well, now I can. Well, I'm gonna tell Freddy and others. Yeah. Oh, I'm stuck in games. No, Freddy, you're coming. Go, Freddy. No, I wanna search up about Titan Sun's Lumberco. Now, you either get out or possess your soul and destroy that arcade. Why can't you just do it yourself? Oh, because I don't want to. Oh, I'm not. I'm just gonna do this. And no. Okay. Come on, Toy Freddy. No, I'm not getting. No. He's gonna use the force on me. It doesn't matter how far you go. Oh. Oh, sorry. Whoa, fine. But make it quick. Thank you. He needs to just stop getting addicted to video games. Yeah. lucky first than others. Guys, it's New Year's Eve. What? 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 Oh yeah, it's New Year's Eve. It's literally dark outside. It's December 31st. At ooh, wait, let me look at my watch. Wait, this clock. Ooh. Oh, it's it's 11:50 p.m. So you guys better come. Oh, New Year's! Oh, oh, oh God! I'm sorry, everybody. Wait, it's New Year's? Okay, come on, Cupcake. Yeah, you go, Cupcake. Oh, well, at least I don't have to do work. Wait, Edward, you're supposed to do my work. I'm not doing that. This is a holiday. Hey! Give over. Nah. Okay. Guys, show up! Now it's 11:55 p.m. Come on! Oh, 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 oh! Mercy. I can't miss New Year's. It's the funnest moment. I'm ideas. I'm here. Oh, oh, sorry. Come on. Okay, is that everybody? Yep, I think that is. Okay. Let's go. Sit right here. Wait a minute. Where's Springtrap? He's supposed to be here. I don't know. Where is he? Wait, I just said, is it here New Year's? Oh yeah, it's New Year's. Hi guys. God. But where is Springtrap? Thank you guys. You're welcome. Yeah, have fun. Thank you. You guys want to enjoy it? Oh yeah. Okay, let's go. Can't believe it's New Year's. Laru! Wait, where's Springtrap? Oh, he's coming. Okay. He was in parts and service because last time he got destroyed and stuff. No, I need to fix it. I need to burn down this arcade. It's not made for children. Okay. Have fun. The boys. We. Okay. See the fireworks. Wait. Okay, let me see my watch. Oh, guys! It's 11:59 p.m. And New Year's 2024 is coming in 5 seconds! Yeah! Oh, no. Oh my god. No! No! Oh, 5 seconds! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Happy New Year! Woo! Woo! Yeah! Oh, that was sick! Now it's 2024! Oh, he died. Well, I'm not. Okay. Well, Happy New Year's! Yay! Minis! I can run! Okay, I'm just going back to sleep. Whee!